Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron. Today we're going to look at the XT version 202 update. Now remember, when we talk about XT, we're talking about the entire series of our XT lineup, so that includes the XTL Touch, the XTL Plus, XT30, and the XT50. We have a lot of exciting features coming. One of the features that we've implemented in XT202 is the door type device. So what you're able to do now is in device setup programming, you will have an option to choose a door type. This is if you're using a 734 or an 1134 with your system, you can choose to set those up as a door type, which will then allow you to select those in dealer admin and have them show up in virtual keypad. So now you will be able to remotely control those doors, so remote unlock and lock, and remote access, all from virtual keypad, thanks to that new door type device. So that's going to be a really big feature. It's going to give you the power to offer that to your customers using an XT system. We are also implementing the support for the network keypad. We released that network keypad, and that's been a great option to our lineup of network type devices. This will allow you to put a keypad in a location where you may not be able to get a wire, but you do have that network connection. You can now use the XT202 version to get that communication from the keypad to the panel and have all that working seamlessly. So that's going to be a nice update and save you a lot of time trying to run that wire to a difficult location. Just take advantage of that network. We have also implemented an easy Wi-Fi password programming. So what this will do, for instance, if your end user decides to change their Wi-Fi password and they do so, their system, whether that's an XTL Touch or XTL Plus or an XT system that was connecting using that Wi-Fi, will no longer be able to connect due to that password that they previously had entered is now incorrect. So they will need to change it for their system. So what we will do is we will present them with a notice on the keypad that will then walk them through the appropriate steps of changing their Wi-Fi password to make sure that the new one is entered correctly. Once that has been entered, the system will connect to the Wi-Fi and continue to communicate to your central station, and you'll be able to continue using your Easy Connect connection for the virtual keypad app as well. So that's just a nice little walkthrough, and it helps make sure that you're not losing connection and your end users are not losing connection on that Wi-Fi. On top of that, we are also implementing the support to be able to program that Wi-Fi information remotely. So if you do receive a call from your users and they have changed their password, but they're not really comfortable with doing that through a keypad, you can assist them remotely. You don't have to roll a truck, so it'll be nice and easy for you and for your customers. So as you can see, lots of great features coming in the XT version 202. Don't forget that this is available for download on Dealer Admin, and you can take advantage of the bulk firmware update to get all those systems updated very quickly. It'll also be able to be downloaded from our dealer direct on the DMP site, so make sure to get that version and get that loaded into your XT series panels. Thanks for watching and have a great day.